This step is for making the hairband decoration. Take a red hair tie material. Hook facing right, straight edge outward, wrap it around once, and align the two holes. Using red thread, poke the needle from the inside to the outside and pull tight. Wrap it around the connection point. Insert the needle from the outside of the hole. Tighten the cord. Adjust the position of the knot and the thread. Tie a knot. Only a thread should show on the front. All knots are hidden on the back. For the other one, use the same method, but when you start wrapping it, make sure the hook is facing left. Place the hairband onto the puppet's pigtail. Using the left pigtail as an example, the pointed end of the hairband should also face left, and the looped part should face backward. Just pinch it and tuck it in. Now one side is done. The other side follows the same method. Adjust the shape of the face, and it's all finished.